Hello guys, it's bright and sunny today outside, so I'm going to take this opportunity to make a bit of, this is not a new formula I'm working on, but it's going to be a bubble bar that I would like to test it out to make sure. I'm worried about my what is it I'm worried about? My fragrance turning to a very dark, so I'm just trying this recipe out. I think I may have to put some okay. This has just messed me up right here. Right here it's messed up because the milk powder I put in here is very at this point here, if I have to if I want to pipe something, I think this would be the best thing. I think I'm gonna add some titanium dioxide for this, but it smells delicious, guys, and I can't eat it. Okay, so I have somewhat of a dough going on here, and ooh, it is warm. It's warm. I think I need to, this is just cornstarch. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to color these in, I'll color, how much coloring I'm going to use here. I think 3, I'm not sure yet. Okay. Ooh. I forgot when it gets warm, for me it's like, if it's too hot, it doesn't work with fibromyalgia. If it's too cold, you know, on and on and on and on. For those of you who are struggling with chronic illnesses, I totally get you. Totally. And this smells like a bakery. I did put some chocolate scented here in this. I'm just gonna test to see. I'm gonna leave some out and test to see if it's gonna turn brown. You know, because this is supposed to be more of a white color, but it's not. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go around over here. Just roll it here. Okay, guys, I'll bring you back for the coloring session. Coloring session. Okay. Be right back. Be right back. This is red 33 from Planet X. This is sky blue from Planet X, and the yellow is from what's the name of this company? Candora. So what I need to do is roll these out. God, I hope it doesn't break. It is feeling like it's gonna break. And I'm gonna spritz it. Where is all this color coming from? I totally clean my hands of all these stupid colors and it just does show up. Okay. So I spritz with rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glycerin to get it nice and rollable. I have not done rolling for a long time. Stuff here. Put some of this, roll it in there. This is cornstarch, guys, in case you're wondering. And this smells so good, and I cannot eat it. Clean off my hands with the yellow. Oh, got some yellow in there. Let's spritz this bad boy with 2 good spritz. A little bit of glycerin. And keep it moving. I gotta hurry up before it ends up hardening up. A little bit sticky here. Ah, see that? You see that, guys? That is not funny. The glue quickly. So guys, so it's supposed to be done in the parchment paper, and I totally forgot. Okay, see how nice this one is? This one is nicely rolled. And I can't pick it up though. I have to put this stick in there somehow. I think I'll go with this side. Okay. Isn't that much nicer? That is too much nicer. I have to let this dry. Okay, let it dry. And that's it, guys. Bloody, lots of work here.